Hello everyone, wishing you a very happy and energetic day. In today's content, we will explore a new and very effective method of propagating roses by cuttings. These are familiar materials in everyday life, but when used correctly, they can effectively support the process of stimulating root growth and the development of new shoots in rose cuttings. First, the selection and preparation of the cutting is fundamental. You need to prepare a favorite rose cutting, ensuring it is free from pests and diseases, and of a suitable age for optimal regeneration. After selecting a suitable cutting, remove all leaves and thorns to reduce water loss and minimize damage during the process. Next, cut the cutting short to about 10 centimeters in length. This size helps the cutting retain the necessary moisture and creates favorable conditions for the formation of new roots. In the initial nutrient treatment step, we use egg yolks. Egg yolks contain many proteins, lipids, and vitamins, especially nutrients essential for cell development. Prepare one egg, separate the yolk and the white, then add about 20 milliliters of water to the cup containing the yolk and stir well to create a diluted solution. The rose cuttings will be soaked in this solution for about 15 minutes. During that time, the nutrients from the yolk will adhere to the surface of the cuttings, providing initial energy for regeneration. Next, we prepare a stimulating solution from garlic and carbonated soft drink. Garlic is an ingredient with strong antibacterial properties thanks to the compound allicin, which helps protect the cuttings from harmful fungi and bacteria. Take about 3 cloves of garlic, peel them, and chop them finely, then put them in a clean glass jar. Next, pour about 150 milliliters of carbonated soft drink and 100 milliliters of clean water into the jar. Carbonated soft drinks contain sugar and some organic compounds that can create a favorable environment for beneficial microorganisms to grow. while also providing energy to the stem in the initial stage. After preparing the solution, use a small piece of foam to seal the mouth of the glass jar. The foam needs to be cut to fit snugly around the jar opening to hold the rose stem in place. Remove the stem from the egg yolk solution. Then insert it through the center of the foam so that the base of the stem is deeply submerged in the garlic soft drink solution. This arrangement ensures that the stem receives continuous moisture and nutrients while keeping the upper part of the stem well ventilated. After completion, place the jar in a cool, airy place, away from strong winds and direct sunlight. Stable environmental conditions will help the stem minimize water loss and concentrate energy on root formation. Throughout this process, ensure the solution remains clean and free from contamination to avoid affecting the stem's growth. After about 10 days, you will begin to observe clear signs of growth. Many new, white, thick roots will appear at the base of the cutting, growing evenly around the base. At the same time, new shoots will begin to develop vigorously from the dormant buds on the stem, appearing bright green, strong, and full of vitality. This is proof that the cutting has adapted well to the environment and the propagation process has been successful. Once the root system has developed stably, you can transfer the plant to a larger part with a loose, porous substrate such as river sand to continue caring for it. The new environment will give the roots more space to grow, while also providing favorable conditions for long-term growth and preparation for flowering. Through this method, it can be seen that utilizing natural ingredients such as egg yolks, garlic, and carbonated drinks not only saves costs, but also yields significant results in stimulating root growth. Egg yolks provide nutrients, garlic acts as an antibacterial agent, and the beverage supports the nutrient environment. When combined correctly, they create a comprehensive support system for the cuttings during their initial growth phase. Hopefully, with this detailed explanation, you have a better understanding of the process and mechanism of rose cutting propagation. When applying this method in practice, always pay attention to every small step, because carefulness and perseverance will determine the final result. Propagating a rose plant from a small cutting yourself not only provides practical value, but also a meaningful experience, helping us to love nature more and appreciate each stage of the plant's development.